Hi everyone, today we're going to do the Big Mac Grande. What we're going to do is we're going to get a burger. Don't forget the Big Mac Grande has 3 layers of burger bun. So we're just going to slice a burger bun in half. Then we're going to slice the burger bun in half on this one. And we're going to use this part for the middle. So you build up a bun like that with the burgers either side. Right, we're going to put those into a dry pan. No oil, nothing, just toast the bottoms lightly. While we're doing that, we've got the mince meat for the burger in there. Black pepper. Salt. Not too much. Try to be a little bit healthy. Got a pan here, a little bit of oil in it. Get it smoking a bit. Turn that down a little bit. Burger, wash your hands first. Straight in there, give it a good whiz round. Divide it into 3 separate balls, because we're going to do 3 burgers in this baby. 1, 2, 3. Once you've got them into balls, put them on the side, straight down. But don't forget, you want to cook quite quickly, so you don't want big burgers. McDonald's don't have big burgers, they have really skinny burgers. They cook in minutes, so I'm going to build up 3 reasonably sized burgers. So, got a hot oil on. Don't forget, check your burger buns. They're nearly toasted, so we'll take them off. Bang. 1. 2. 3. So they're simmering on a heat. They won't take long to cook at all. Once we've done that, we'll wash our hands again. Get rid of all the rubbish. Get rid of that, get rid of that. We'll make the burger sauce. Burger sauce. I'm getting the mayonnaise. Right. Mayonnaise. I've got some Spanish smoked paprika. Salt. White pepper. So you know what? That's because I washed my hands again, isn't it? Trying to do this fast.
You don't have to do it fast.
No, speed is everything, mate. It's fast food. Right, give it a stir. While we're doing that, look, burgers are getting there. We'll give the burgers a flick. There we go, lovely. Those babies are cooking nice. Burger sauce is getting that nice pinky colour to it now. Right. Onion. They normally put a little bit of like finely diced onion. So how to dice an onion. Cut it in half. Get half an onion. Put it flat side down, it's more controllable then. Slice it like that, not right to the end. We just want a few bits, just to sprinkle on top of the burger. There you go, a little bit of finely diced onion there. Okay, got that. What else do you have on a Big Mac? Lettuce. Chiffonade lettuce, that's really finely. So we got lettuce, we got onion. Lastly, we got cheese slices. I'll use 3 of these, 1 per burger.
Plastic cheese.
Plastic cheese, pretend cheese. So we got our sauce, slices, onion, lettuce. Let's keep an eye on these burgers. We get in there, turn that up a bit. Don't forget, the thinner they are, quicker they cook. Oh, nice and quick, that was not done on that side. We'll give that a blast now. Check these buns. Yeah, a little bit more tasty. You'll know when they cook because they become quite firm and hard. Let's check out these. There, they're toasting nice. See, no oil, and they start to just toast nice, warm up, lovely. Right, flipping this burger. Look at that. We're nearly there now. If you like your burgers bloody and you've got a decent bit of meat, don't cook them fully. Have a bit of blood in it if you want it. But I like them well done. I don't trust it, so I'm going to go for the well done burger as McDonald's do. So, there's the base of your burger. We'll put that on the plate. Apparently what they do, right, is you want a little bit of onion on the bottom. And, like that. And now what I'm going to do, the burgers are practically there now. There'll only be a couple more minutes, so quick one more flip. I'm going to melt the cheese on top because I like it melted, so we'll get a burger slice. Put the cheese on top. Just let that melt on for a little bit. Give it a heat. There's nothing worse than cold cheese in it. That's about there now. They're fully cooked. The cheese is melting on. It's heated up a bit. I'll flick that off. Then we're going to go burger. Lettuce. Bit of our homemade sauce. Another burger slice. I'm going to go 2 burgers on this one. I'm going to be greedy.
I think you meant a bun slice.
Yeah, bun slice.
You said burger slice.
Yeah, that's a technical term, mate.
But it was a bun.
Yeah, I know. Oh yeah, all right. Oh dear. Double burger. A little bit more onion. A little bit more lettuce. This is the mother of all burgers, you know that. Some more burger sauce. We'll top it off with another burger bun. Look at that. That is a proper Big Mac Grande. that is. Look. Keep cooking.